With the divine blessings of Lord Shiva Shivananda Paramahamsa Nityananda, all the holy Siddhas, divine beings, kindly bless us to have a beautiful session of Sarva Mahasiddha Dhyanam. Sarva Mahasiddha Dhyanam. May the divine blessings and great Siddhas shower the blessings on us to have the great absolute divine Sarva Mahasiddha Dhyanam. Atma Namaskar. Atma Namaskar. We came to this world with the information of Anandam, Arogyam, Aishwaryam, Atmagnanam. We already have Anandam, Aishwaryam, Atmagnanam and Arogyam. Health, wealth, happiness, and with the divine information and the divine knowledge we are already having. But the problem here is, in this world we also need one more information called implementation. That is, how to implement this information. We also came with this information or this technique, but because of Maya, it get hidden. When we connect with these Rishis, when we connect with the Sapta Rishis and Siddhas, the energy get awakened. Immediately if the energy get awakened, we can use for Anandam, Arogyam, Aishwaryam and Atmagnanam. Every one of us are come from Rishis. Our ancestors are great Rishis. Some of our community people know that their name, their Gotram name will be Rishi name. The Gotram is representation of Rishis, means they are specifying that you people came from the lineage of that great Rishi. If you recollect the great Rishi name, where you came from, then automatically the information also comes to our being for our usage. No doubt, one way or other, every one of us in this existing world came from Rishis. No doubt in it. Whether you believe it or not, whether you know it or not, whether you use it or not, we came from Rishis. They are great beings. Whether you belongs to India, whether you belongs to Mauritius, whether you belongs to Malaysia, whether you belongs to America, whether you belongs to South Africa, my respected friends, you are absolutely lineage of great Rishis. Your ancestors are great Rishis. No doubt in it. The minute you remember your great Rishi, your ancestor, the information will be downloaded. Okay, fine. Many of us does not know who is our ancestors. Very fine. Then, all these Rishis are from Sapta Rishi. The Sapta Rishis is the base for this existing Manmantira, means existing world, being ruled, God, protected by Sapta Rishis. The Sapta Rishis been appointed by Brahma, who is the creator of this world. One way or other, we are connected to Sapta Rishis. But if we get the connectivity directly, then automatically all our problems get erased. All our requirements get fulfilled. All our physical problems get cured. Whatever we need in this existing world, we get, because we came with all needed stuff. All needed stuff is already within us. What we need is accessing with it. So when we connect with the Sapta Rishis, then automatically we get that. That is called the Sapta Rishi Dhyanam, and also called Mahasiddha Dhyanam, Sarva Mahasiddha Dhyanam, because one day or other, everybody are connected with the Sapta Rishis. If we connect directly with the Sapta Rishis, then automatically Mahasiddhas, Maharishis, Maha Atmas, every being be within us. Even today, if you go to Varanasi, Kasi Mahakshetra, every evening they do Arati. Sapta Rishi Arati means it is a belief that the Saptarishis comes to this world and do perform the arati to Lord Shiva, Vishwanatha, Kasi Vishwanatha, to energize the Saptarushi to safeguard this world, to energize the Saptarushi to pass down the energy to this world, to energize the Saptarushis to protect this world. Every day it is a mandatory in Kasi Vishwanatha temple that Saptarushi Arati will be performed. No doubt the Saptarushis will be there to perform this Arati in subtle form. Get the energy, information, equip by the energies to protect our Mother Earth, to protect ourselves. So, if we connect to Saptarishis, automatically the Saptarishis already connected through Brahma, Vishnu, directly to Maheshwara and directly to Parabrahma. We get everything directly and we can align it. This is another way of aligning, attaining, arising our consciousness. So, in this, I already explained you the easiest way of aligning Rishis, Munis. You can adopt this mudra. The mudra is, this is mudra. Maharushi mudra. Maharushi mudra. Maharushi mudra. Okay. The next is, before we go to the mudra, we have to draw symbol. We have to draw symbol. This symbol is called a Zebu symbol. It's something like looks like a snake, Naga mudra. The Nagas is called Naka. Naka means heaven. Naga bandhanam means the heavens bandhanam it is. We can connect with the heaven, we can connect with the upper lokas with this symbol. This is called a Naka symbol, not Naga, Naka. Reconnecting ourselves to the divine self. Number one. Number two, we are using the mudra and we are using the mantra. With this, if we meditate, then absolutely, my respected friends, we can align and attain divinity. Absolutely. We can align and attain divinity. Absolutely. The mantra is already posted. Kasyapotrim Bharadvajo Visvamitro Gautama Jamadagnir Vasishticha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Guruhanta Dvarvya Namo Namaha. This is the mantra. You keep listening this mantra, not to chant now. After today, you practice chanting, you practice by handing. Whenever you want to connect to Saptarishis, draw the symbol. Draw the symbol. Hold the mudra. Close your eyes. Meditate. Connect with the divinity. Are you ready? I request Lord Shiva, Shivananda, Paramahamsa, Nityananda, all the holy Siddhas, divine beings, kindly give us permission to practice them. Sarva Mahasiddha Dhyanam. I request my parents, I request my gurus in this Janma, in the previous Janma, kindly give us permission to practice Sarva Siddha Mahadhyanam. I request my Kuladevata, family god, Ishta Devata, favorite god, Grama Devata, village god, village deity, and the guiding spirits who made me to come to these spiritualities, kindly give us permission to reconnect to the divine, to reconnect to the Saptarishis, to reconnect to the universe with this mantra, yantra, mudra, tantra, mantra, yantra, mudra, tantra. Shivananda, Paramahamsa, Nityananda, Taramahi, Nadananda, kindly bless us with the divine knowledge and wisdom and absolute divine mantras. I request Saptarishis, kindly permit me to do this. I request Saptarishis, kindly permit me to do this. Slowly open your eyes. Draw this symbol. Slowly open your eyes. Draw this symbol. Immediately enter into the mudra. Immediately enter into the mudra. Immediately enter into the mudra. Feel the energy of the mudra. Feel the energy of the mudra. Close your eyes. Feel the energy of the mudra. Feel the connectivity. Feel the connectivity. Feel the connectivity. Feel the connectivity with the Saptarishis. And resonate with the mantra. Listen and resonate with the mantra. Kasyapotri Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Grahantva Dharya Namo Namah. Kasyapoti Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Grahantva Dharya Namo Namah. Kasyapotri Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Gruhatva Dharya Namo Namah. Kasyapoti Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Grahatva Dharya Namo Namah. Kasyapotri Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Grahatvat Dharya Namo Namah. Om Saptarishye Namaha. Hold the mudra. Feel the energy of yantra by resonating with the mantra. Kasyapotri Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rishayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Gruhantva Dharya Namo Namah. Kasyapoti Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rishayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Gruhantva Dharya Namo Namah. Feel the energy. Feel the energy of Saptarishis. Feel the energy of Saptarishis. Kasyapotri Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Gurhatva Dharya Namo Namah. Kasyapoti Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Gruhatva Dharya Namo Namah. Kasyapoti Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Gruhantva Dharya Namo Namah. Kasyapoti Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Gruhantva Dharya Namo Namah. Kasyapoti Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Gruhantva Dharya Namo Namah. Kasyapoti Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Gruhatva Dharya Namo Namah. Kasyapoti Bharadwajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadhagnir Vasishtcha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta గ్రహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః కశ్యపోతి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః కశ్యపోతి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః కశ్యపోతి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః కశ్యపోతి భరద్వాజ విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః కశ్యపోత్రి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః కశ్యపోతి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః కశ్యపోతి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః కశ్యపోతి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః. I request Sapta Rishis, kindly erase all my papas in this Janma, in these previous Janmas, and align to Sapta Rishis right now. కశ్యపోతి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః కశ్యపోతి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః కశ్యపోతి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః కశ్యపోతి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః. Feel the energy, feel the divine blessings. కశ్యపోతి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గ్రహత్వధర్య నమో నమః. I request Sapta Rishis, kindly bless, kindly energize, feel the energy, feel the fragrance, feel the energy. కశ్యపోత్రి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గృహత్వధర్య నమో నమః. Feel the energy, feel the energy. కశ్యపోత్రి భరద్వాజో విశ్వామిత్రో గౌతమ జమదగ్నిర్వసిష్ఠిశ్చ సప్తైతి ఋషయః స్మృత దహంతు పాప సర్వ గ్రహత్వధర్య నమో నమః. I request Lord Shiva, Shivananda, Paramahamsa, Nityananda, all the holy Siddhas, divine beings, Bless me with the divine energies and wisdom of Saptarshis to connect to the highest. Kasyapotri Bharadvajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadagni Vasishticha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Gruhatva Dharya Namo Namaha. Slowly come back. Shake your hands. Rub your hands together. Don't open your eyes. Shake your hands. Rub your hands together. Don't open your eyes. Feel the energy of Saptarushis in your being. Feel the energy of Saptarushis in your being. Feel it as if you are the absolutely the being of Saptarushi Dhyana energy. The energy of Saptarushis is within you now. The Saptarushis of the divine beings are within us now. Feel the energy. Visualize the Saptarushis are within you, around you, within your place. Feel the energy. You also can feel the fragrance in your place. By the presence of Saptarishis in our being, in our place, you can feel, you can smell the divine smell. Grandham, the smell you can feel. The presence of divine you can feel. The presence of voice you can feel. That is the blessings of the absolute Saptarishis. Feel the energy. Listen to the divinity. Recollect whatever happened in this meditation session. Register it with the highest gratitude to our parents, with the highest gratitude to our gurus, with the highest gratitude to Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, Lakshmi, Parvati, Saraswati, with the highest gratitude to Almighty, Kula Devata, Ishta Devata, Grama Devata. Recollect the meditation. Reconnect with the Saptarishis. Kasyapotri Bharadvajo Viswamitro Gautama Jamadagnir Vasishticha Saptaiti Rushayi Smruta Dahantu Papa Sarva Guruhatva Dharya Namo Namaha. Again and again recollect. Again shake your hands, rub your hands together, place it on your eyes. With highest gratitude to the Almighty, open your eyes with big smile. Open your eyes with big smile. Atma Namaskaram, Atma Namaskaram.